How to switch Roblox account on mobile and computer. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. Log into your account, then click on three dots located on bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll down. You'll find Switch Account option. Click on Switch Accounts. And then if you have not added your another account, click on Add Account and then log into existing account. After you have done that, your account will be in here. Simply click on the other account to switch, and to switch back, simply again click on the account you want to switch back to. And this is how to switch Roblox account in mobile and computer. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time. Thank you for watching.